Let's talk about the monsoon diseases which are going to happen because of the contamination of water with the sewage water. Specifically in the Punjab right now, like there are floods, there is a high chances there is a contamination of water. The diseases like cholera, like typhoid, like hepatitis A or leptospira can happen because of the water contamination, or the diseases like dengue, malaria can happen because mosquitoes breed in water, and because of that they can there is a season where there will be a disease. So apart from that, certain skin and fungal disease can happen because if you have a soaked feet for long time, there is high chances you will get that. So let's talk about the waterborne disease. So what you can do to prevent it? First of all, best is the prevention. Make sure you are drinking boiled water, no outside water, no water which is not filtered, any source which you are not sure of, or any water bottles which are opened and you are not sure of, do not drink that water. Make sure there is a home boiled proper water bottles. Make your kids should carry that same bottle. You should also carry your home water. That's the safest and the best possible thing now. Stop eating from outside because contamination of water indirectly or directly will cause disease. So if this was the prevention, in case you still got the disease, there will be symptom of abdominal pain, there could be nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, all these symptoms can be there. Get your immediately go to the doctor, see the doctor, because cholera can be life threatening, leptospira can cause severe problem, typhoid obviously everybody knows there would be abdominal symptoms. So make sure you do not self medicate or self treat them, or go to a near pharmacy and take some medicines. Please don't do that because long term it will cause lot of problems. So just visit your nearest doctor, proper doctor, and then take the treatment. Get tested also for all these things. There is a test available, simple blood test, so that if you don't want to get treated for blindly, best is to get treated, tested, followed by the treatment for the particular disease you got. Now comes the dengue and the malaria. There would be fever, spike, high grade fever. There could be a pain in full body. Symptoms like cold, cough could be there. Rashes could be there. Body ache, severe body ache is there. For those patients, first day CBC test is the best. For third, fourth day onward, dengue testing and chikungunya testing can be done, and you could get to know the results if you are positive for all this. For skin and fungal infections, if you are not dry, your interweb are not dry, for the specifically toes, if you are wet and you are keeping your wet shoes and socks for a long time, there is high chances you can get fungal infections. Do treat it immediately if that happens, because obviously immediate treatment serves best. It's easier that way. Takes quick recovery can happen. Apart from that, certain eye disease like conjunctivitis can happen because of all the contamination and the disease system right now going on. So just be careful, try and be clean, maintain hygiene, bathe daily, wash your hands very frequently, have safe drinking water. These all can help you prevent all these things. And in case somebody gets infected, make sure you visit the doctor immediately so that the spread of the disease can be prevented. Thank you so much.